Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a delicious recipe that's sure to impress your family and friends. Honey Glazed Rosemary Ribs. This dish combines the rich flavors of honey, herbs, and tender ribs to create a mouth-watering experience that's perfect for any occasion. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get started. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need some succulent ribs, honey, black pepper, onion powder, thyme, and, of course, fresh rosemary. Each of these ingredients plays a vital role in building the flavor profile of our dish. The honey adds a natural sweetness that caramelizes beautifully, while the black pepper and onion powder provide a subtle kick. The thyme and rosemary bring an aromatic touch that elevates the entire dish. Now, let's prepare our ribs. Start by patting them dry with a paper towel. This step is crucial because it helps the glaze stick better and ensures a nice sear. Once they're dry, season both sides generously with salt, black pepper, and onion powder. Don't be shy with the seasoning. It's what will give our ribs that incredible flavor. Next, let's make our honey glaze. In a small bowl, combine a generous amount of honey with a sprinkle of thyme and finely chopped rosemary. This mixture will not only coat the ribs, but also infuse them with those delightful herbal notes. If you like a bit of heat, feel free to add a pinch of red pepper flakes for an extra kick. Now, it's time to cook the ribs. Preheat your oven to 300 F 150 C. Place the seasoned ribs on a baking sheet lined with aluminum foil for easy cleanup. Brush a generous layer of the honey glaze over the ribs, making sure to cover them well. This glaze will caramelize as the ribs cook, creating a sticky, flavorful crust. Cover the ribs with another piece of foil to keep them moist during the cooking process. Bake them in the preheated oven for about 2.5 to 3 hours, or until they're tender and practically falling off the bone. Halfway through, you can brush on more glaze for an extra layer of flavor. Once they're done, remove the ribs from the oven and let them rest for about 10 minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is juicy and flavorful. When you're ready to serve, slice the ribs between the bones and drizzle any remaining glaze over the top. And there you have it, honey glazed rosemary ribs that are sure to be a hit at your next gathering. The combination of sweet and savory flavors, along with the tender meat, creates a dish that's not only delicious but also comforting. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious cooking tutorials. Happy cooking, and I can't wait to see you next time.
You want to know what's free? Support. Engagement. It only takes a couple of seconds. It don't take that long. You can even repost and share. Like,